Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing this Milani foundation. So let's get started. This is called Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation plus Concealer, and I'm in this shade 06 Sand Beige. This is for 30 ml and it retails for 1325 rupees, and it says it's a medium to full coverage, lightweight oil free formula, long wearing, water resistant and sweat proof. And it have also mentioned all the required details at the packaging, and the manufacturing date and the expiry date is also mentioned. So when we open the cap, this is how the packaging looks like. It has this pump packaging which is very hygiene and which is very useful and versatile. So this is the first impression and review. So I've not used the foundation, so you need to pump like 2 to 3 times till you get the foundation out. So this is how the foundation looks like. As you can see, it has a thick consistency and it has a yellow undertone which will suit all the Indian skin tones. So first things first, I'm gonna be priming my face. I'm just going to apply primer for one side of my face because I want to see whether this foundation glides smoothly without primer. So I'm just going to apply it for one side of my face, and I have already moisturized, by the way. Then I'm gonna be testing this foundation and it really matched my skin tone. So once that's done, I'm gonna take one pump of the foundation and I'm gonna be dotting it like this, and then I'll be using beauty blender to blend my foundation. So let's start with one side of my face, and after that I'm gonna be blending with the blender. So you can see how it makes a huge difference. While I'm blending itself, it is literally giving me that full coverage with just half a pump. And you can use this foundation however you want to. Like if you want one single layer, you can use it as that, and it will be very lightweight on your face. And then if you want, you can build the foundation as well, so it will give you that full coverage, you guys. So yeah, this is how my foundation looks like. As you can see, it have literally hidden my dark circles and blemishes in just half a pump, and I must say this foundation is very light on my skin. I was not feeling heavy at all, and I must say this foundation is very like super drying. So you need to work super quickly. As soon as you dot it, you need to just blend it. Other than that, it's not sticky, it's not heavy, and it's very light on your skin. So I'm just gonna be taking other half pump and I'm gonna be applying it on my other side of my face where I have not applied primer. So I'm just gonna dot it and blend it with the same beauty blender. So I've not edited any clippings here because I want you to see how it just blends on my skin without primer and with primer as well. I've just made it fast forward. That's all, you guys. So you can see it like directly how it's blending on my skin, and it just glided very smoothly on my skin. And this is how my foundation looks like after blending. With primer and without primer looks same. I don't feel any difference, and while applying also there was no difficulty, or I was not struggling to blend. It just glided very smoothly, as I said. And if you don't have blemishes or dark circles, one pump is enough, you guys. And for daily or everyday use, one pump is really well and good, and you feel nothing on your face. But I'm gonna be testing out by applying second layer under my eyes and on wherever it's needed. So I'm just going to apply like this, and I'll be blending it with my blender. So after I applied and blended, I felt this foundation gave me full coverage as much as I needed, and I really loved the foundation, you guys. And I even tested it for like 5 hours and it just didn't move at all. I sweat a lot on my T zone, and this foundation did not wear off from the nose area, because usually few foundation will wear off near my nose and it will create patches. But this foundation didn't do that at all, and you can see the close up, it have not settled around my nose as well. So overall I really love this foundation and I will definitely recommend this foundation to you guys. And according to me, this foundation will suit any type of skin tones. If you have oily, dry, or any type, you can definitely give it a shot by applying any good primer and moisturizer, and this foundation will work amazing. And yeah, I did set my base with the compact because I usually do it. So yeah, that was my take and review on this Milani foundation. If you have any queries regarding this foundation, please do comment down below. I'll be very happy to help you guys and reply. With that being said, I'll finish this video. Hope this review was helpful. Thank you all so much for watching.